Come on, old boy, let's go. LRR headquarters. Eastbound freight 3977, you would clear from the LRR straight to Silvis. Straight to Cheyenne. Have a good one, and we'll see you when you guys get back. Or why are we going faster? What the? The brakes. They're not working. What? Uh-oh. Meanwhile, in one of the headquarters. John? Yeah? That freight train's about 6 minutes ahead of schedule. That's weird. Get him on the line. Police, the line's clear ahead of him. Looking for about 400 miles or so. What's the load? Looking for the manifest. Well, let's hope they're hauling carrots. This is LRR control. Repeat. I say repeat. This is eastbound freight 5977 at the LRR Railroad. I am 400 to 500 miles from Cheyenne. I'm picking up speed. My brakes are gone, my dynamics won't hold. I have flammable chemicals and hazardous materials on board. I am out of control. Repeat. Eastbound 3977. I am out of control. We're not gonna crash, are we? No. I'm not letting that happen.